Why is refined sugar so bad for the body? What's the difference between organic and non-organic? What are superfoods? What are the ways to boost your immune system? What is good nutrition? Welcome to the brand new online and in-class short course, Nutrition for Everyday Living, by CNM, the College of Naturopathic Medicine. The College of Naturopathic Medicine is the #1 training provider for natural therapies in the UK and Ireland. Our colleges offer short courses and diploma courses in naturopathic nutrition, naturopathy, herbal medicine, natural chef, acupuncture, health coaching and more. The Nutrition for Everyday Living short course consists of 12 in-depth lectures and has been created for anybody who wants to become more educated in nutrition. It not only answers some of nutrition's biggest questions, it also debunks common nutrition myths and incorrect information. This course includes everything you need to know about everyday nutrition. Whether you have decided on a career in health and nutrition, you want to increase your family's overall well-being, or you simply want to get more educated in nutrition, CNM have created this course for everyone. You can study this course in 2 ways. Choose to learn in a classroom environment in one of CNM's colleges, where our experienced lecturers are ready to educate you. Alternatively, this course can be studied online. Students from all over the world can complete this course in the comfort of their own home. The online course has been specifically developed and includes high-quality filmed lectures, extensive handouts for each subject, simple and easy nutritional recipes, summary quizzes and interactive exercises for each lecture, and access to the CNM online library. Study in your own time on our specifically designed student portal. With chronic diseases at its highest rates globally and general knowledge around nutrition at its lowest, there's never been a better time to begin your education in the world of natural health.